Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the newly amplified Freedom of the Seas. And this particular category is a Spacious Panoramic Ocean View. Let me show you what it's all about. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you're gonna have this magnet where you put it on the outside to communicate do not disturb or please make up room. You're gonna have your temperature controls right here to the left, and right here you're gonna have a power saving device. Now, this particular category was added onto the ship after it was built, actually relatively recently, and you'll be able to see from the decor, it's a new room category. So when you come in, you wanna put your key card in there. That's gonna activate the lights and the power so that you can charge your devices and also have power in the room. Now, next up is your storage. So there's quite a bit of storage up and down right here. And then here's the main part. You're gonna have all of your hanging storage all the way across. And then that also pulls down for more hanging storage, a little bit of storage up above and down below. Directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. You've got your storage up and down to the left here, a single vanity, a little bit of place underneath to put your stuff away. And then you've got the shower right here. Now, what I like about this is instead of a shower curtain, you've got these shower doors that close. I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'6", I still have enough room to move around. You also have your shower head right up above. Now let's head into the main part of the room. So in here, you're gonna find you have a little more storage up and down. You're gonna have your safe tucked in here. It's big enough for your passport, wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. And then just underneath, you're gonna find your mini fridge. You've got a writing desk right here that doubles as a vanity. You've got a light up above, 2 US plugs, a Euro plug. Now I always bring an extra USB splitter so I can plug in once and charge all of my devices. Also, there aren't plugs next to the bed, so I always bring a backup battery so I can charge it during the day and use it by my bed to charge my phone at night. You've got more storage up and down here, a little bit up above, and then right over here you're gonna have the couch. Now, depending on which room you're in, they can hold 3 or 4, it just depends, but in this particular case, this is just a couch. Now, as we continue along, you'll find the bed. So this is what Royal calls their Royal King configuration. Not quite a full-size king, but you can separate them apart for 2 twin beds if you'd prefer. The nightstands would go to the middle. The nightstands do have a little bit of storage each on both of them, and then you're gonna have the reading lamps on the side. Directly across, you're gonna find your flat panel TV. It is interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship and watch television. Now, this particular category was not on the Freedom of the Seas when it was built. It was added on later. We're up on deck 12 on the forward-facing crown of the ship, so the bridge is just below us. And what I love about this particular category is the rooms are a lot newer because they were added on layers, so you can see from the decor it's a bit different than the rest of the ship, but also the incredible panoramic views. Now, this particular one looks directly out the front of the ship. They do wrap all the way around, so you can pick whichever view you prefer, but keep in mind the ones in the front always go first. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any here on board the Freedom of the Seas or the Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea Fleet, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Royal Caribbean group experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Royal Caribbean, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.